Good day everybody, my name is Nate and you're watching Volkswagen Classics. Alrighty there, so in today's episode, I'll just be, I reckon I'll be welding and grinding a few spots here and there. Got a bit of the heat channels to do at the back, at the front, just get stuff done. Up under here, there's some bits here which we can do work on. And yeah, so just a bit of welding and finishing off some things. I'm by myself this weekend, so let's see what we can get up to. Firstly, I had decided to tackle the front. I ground down the welds done in the previous episode and went to cutting. I cut off the piece that was overlapping so it could butt up with the reproduction front. I removed the front fender to gain better access, and with all that said and done, I was on to welding.
Load up on guns, bring your friends, it's fun to lose and to pretend she's overboard and self-assured. Oh no, I know a dirty word. Hello, 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 how low? Hello, 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 how low? Hello, 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 how low? Hello, hello, hello. With the lights out, it's dangerous. Here we are now, entertainers. I'm stupid and it's dangerous. Here we are now, entertainers. Yeah, I'm worse at what I do best, and for this gift I feel blessed. Our little group has always been and always will until the end. Hello, 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 how low? 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 When the lights out, it's dangerous. Here we are now, entertainers. I'm stupid and it's dangerous. Here we are now, entertainers.
Alright, so what I've just done is I've been welding here, doing a bit of grinding and stuff, but I just welded this together just real quickly. The thing is, this is pushed in, you might be able to see, and I want to pull it out, and I can't really get behind because this channel here is here. So I've just welded this, but I don't know if that'll be strong enough because I didn't want to blow holes in the sheet metal, but I'll give it a few gentle hits on this and see if this will just pull out a bit. So let's see how that does. Alright, so I've gotten that all welded up. I was going to show you me like bending this out, but I accidentally forgot to press record, so that didn't happen. Anyway, I'll probably just give this a quick clean and put some primer on it. Alright, so we've gotten it primed and cleaned up a bit. You can still see some marks. There's a hole just there, a few others, but it's not too bad. Needs to be a little more grinding here. But other than that, it's pretty smooth. I'm happy with how I pulled this out, because this bit here pulled out nice, but it's still sinking in here a little more, and sinks in here a lot. But, oh well. That looks good though. I'm happy with that. But anyway, let's see what else we can get up to in this video. Alright, so I've just tapped this down here a bit. This at the front of the heat channel. And I'll probably do that welding today. And that's probably all I'll do on the heat channel today. Because I don't know what we're going to do at the back here. Sitting a little higher than we would like. So I don't know what we'll do. But I'm confident this here will be good, so I'll get cracking on that now.
I just can't get you out of my head. Boy, it's more than a day to think about. I just can't get you out of my head. Boy, it's more than a day to think about. I just can't get you out of my, can't get you out of my, I just can't get you out of my head. Boy, it's more than a day to think about. I just can't get you out of my head. Boy, it's more than a day to think about.
Alright, so I've gotten that welded up. I can't get the grinder in there. Or there. And I think I was meant to weld that up. But I didn't. It doesn't really have the sort of line to tell where it was. Like the other side here. But I think it's good enough. Like it holds. I think it looks neat. Doesn't look 100% like the other side. But oh well. Alright everybody, I'm going to conclude the video here. I'm going to work on the heater channel another time. Just finish that up when we can grind. Maybe when we're doing the inner fender well area, we can finish that off. But other than that, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.